की बात बोल दिया आज हमारे. चलो भाई. So now today I'm coming with a very hot topic, and that's what direct and indirect speech. One of my favorite topic in English, because we have to use here plenty times our common
Common sense.
sense. The person who has very good common sense, he can go like, what do we say? He will be going like as easy as ABC. For him, it will be as easy as pie. Remember this. And the person who is lacking his common sense, then may God help that person, because he is going to have absolutely nonsense. Sorry to say this, by the way. It doesn't matter. So here we go. Direct and indirect speech in English. So the first rule, the mandatory rule of direct indirect speech is what? Remember, you have to, we have to use common सेंस. ये इसका मेन रूल है. इसके अलावा कोई रूल ही नहीं है इसका. बाकी जो रूल है बाबा भी आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द मेन रूल ऑफ आवर direct indirect speech, that we have to use our common sense, and the person who doesn't contain common sense, he will become absolutely nonsense. Why? Because he won't be able to understand what is the curriculum, and how are we going to have those things in our sentences and how to use them. All right, so this is what exactly I'm going to show you today here, how to use your direct indirect speech and how are you going to have here. So I believe so it will be taking the whole week for direct indirect speech. All right, so this is one of the most important topic is remaining, and letter writing, letter drafting, as Mazam has requested earlier in this batch only. So I'm going to give you the free video of it in your
So
application.
can you
So
once show us how to write an email properly?
yeah, see, I've just made that video, and in that
Okay,
video I've
sir.
just covered each and everything over there. So you can go through that video once, and if you feel again that you are
Okay,
not
sir.
understanding over there, so you can just tell me, so we can go. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
So don't worry about it. We are going to go beyond it. Ta, 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 ta. This is. Yeah, here we go. Direct and direct speech. Now, direct and indirect speech, I'm going to explain you today. How are you going to have it here, and how to use it, what to use it, what are the rules over there we are going to have here, each and everything. See, after explaining huge topic, then I have given the first rule over there, how to go with it. It is taking a long time, I didn't know how. This is what in detail I have taught that class. So this is what I'm going to teach you to here. But you have to pay attention in class, and you have to practice this at home as well. And see, especially you're going to use your common sense, because we have major 5 rules over here in indirect or direct speech. The major rules are made by me only. बाबा आपके सामने बैठे हैं, बाबा ने ही रूल बनाए मतलब यानी रूल को मैंने लिया हूँ कैम्ब्रिज एंड ऑक्सफोर्ड के वेबसाइट से पूरा, जो मुझे पढ़ाया गया था. 5 rules are there which are basic and the main mandatory rules for us we have in English. Yeah. Just let me copy it so I can give you the whole data. Whole data. See, ऐसे ऐसे सेंटेंस दिया मैंने, उसके अंदर के दिमाग आपका काम नहीं करेगा. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it here. हो बाबा, हाँ हुआ बाबा हुआ. हाय. Okay, so point number 1 is what about direct indirect speech. Now, who can tell me what is direct and what is indirect speech? Yes, who can tell me what is direct speech and what is indirect speech? Is there anybody who knows what is direct and what is indirect speech? Anybody knows direct indirect speech in English? Who can tell me what is direct speech, what is indirect speech? Yes?
So in direct speech, there will be a simple sentence, and in
Hmm.
indirect speech, we will be making that sentence a bit exaggerated in 4 to 5 ways, but it
Oh,
will be in the same meaning
okay.
by changing
Very
few
good.
words.
Very good. Nice definition you have given. I liked it. Anyone else would like to define it? Anyone else would like to define it well? That was it. Direct index. What is direct speech? What is indirect speech? Now I'll tell you the simple definition of direct speech. People's exact words are called direct speech. That's it. People's exact words are called direct speech. And when someone is copying those words and narrating someone else's in his own language, this is called indirect speech. As that Shreya madam has said, that we are listening some simple sentence and we are narrating that sentence into our own ideas, and we are exaggerating sometimes, or sometimes we are copying it, sometimes we are just pasting as it is. This is called indirect speech. Means what? किसी की बोली हुई बात, normally बोली हुई बात, उसको मैंने सुना, किसी ने कुछ बोला, normally कोई बात बोला, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे डायरेक्ट स्पीच, क्योंकि पर्सन के खुद के मुंह से खुद के वर्ड्स निकले, उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग डायरेक्ट स्पीच. पॉइंट नंबर 2, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच हम लोग उसको बोलेंगे, हम किसी की कही हुई बात को डबल से किसी और को बता रहे, या फिर उसकी बात को नरेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. नरेट करना मतलब ही नहीं, नरेट करना क्या बोलते हैं आपको? किसी और की बात को बताना अपने ओन वर्ड्स के अंदर. तो नरेट अगर हम लोग कर रहे हैं, दैट्स व्हाट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. पॉइंट नंबर 1. सो नाउ the major rule for direct indirect speech is what you have to use your common sense over here, because the rules are going to work here on the common sense only. Now if you see here, direct and indirect speech, I have given some formulas. Now point number 1, tomorrow is a holiday. ये बात मैंने बोला अभी आप लोगों को कि कल छुट्टी है, मजाक में बोल दिया आप लोग को, कल आना क्लास को, हाँ छुट्टी मारना नहीं, ऑलरेडी कल छुट्टी लिए थे. Tomorrow is a holiday. So this is called direct speech. किसने बोला ये? अंसार इदरीसी ने बोला. I said this one. So tomorrow is a holiday. I said this. ये मैंने बोला. Tomorrow is a holiday. कल छुट्टी है क्लास को. अब यहाँ पे बंदा कौन नहीं है? यहाँ पे फजल भाई नहीं है. करेक्ट? अब फजल आपको मार्केट में मिल गए कहीं पर भी. Now you met Fazal and he had a chat with you, and at that time he asked you, अरे हाय हेलो, आज क्लास को गए थे? अरे आज मैं तेरे भाभी को लेके गया था तेरा पाव भाजी के लिए. क्लास को गया था, क्या हुआ अगर? सो आप लोगों ने क्या बोला? He said that tomorrow is a holiday. ये अपना सबसे लोकल इंटरेक्ट स्पीच है, जो कि हम लोगों को बचपन में टीचर ने, रूबीना मिस ने सिखाए थे. क्या बेटा? कुछ करने का नहीं, 2 मार्क्स के लिए आएगा. डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच आपको करना क्या है कि आपको उठा के खाली लिखना है टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. तो बच्चा उठा के ऊपर से पूरा नीचे कॉपी पेस्ट करना, उसके पहले खाली इतना लगा देना, ही सेड दैट. तो अपन ने हर जगह पे ही सेड, ही सेड, ही सेड, ही सेड, ही सेड, हर जगह पे सेड लगा के बैठ गए. मार्क्स मिल जाते थे, वो टाइम पे चलता था, मजा भी आती थी कि मार्क्स मिल गए, खुश. ग्रामर सॉल्व किया मैंने, तो बाप रे, ओ माय गॉड. सो नाउ दिस इज व्हाट. अब बोला किसने? ये मैंने बोला था, मैं लड़का हूं. सो ही सेड, उसने बोला. क्या बोला भाई? के दैट टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. पॉइंट नंबर 1. तो आप लोग ऐसा उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. ये पहला फॉर्मूला है. यू हैव टू यूज योर कॉमन सेंस. सेकेंड वे टू चेंज इट. अब आप उसको चेंज कैसे करेंगे? यू कैन से ही अनाउंस्ड. ये फंडा अंसार बाबा का है. अंसार बाबा का मतलब है नहीं, फॉरनर लोग का फंडा है वो. दैट दे आर यूजिंग their own words to exaggerate or to express the sentences from someone else in indirect speech. For example, he announced that. Now, what sort of sentence are you seeing this one? कैसे टाइप का सेंटेंस है? भीख मांग रहा है क्या सेंटेंस वो?
Tomorrow is holiday.
क्या ये क्या है? कौन सा टाइप का सेंटेंस है ये?
Simple sentence.
ये अनाउंसमेंट वाला सेंटेंस. ये सुनो,
Announcement.
तो जब जो बंदे के पास में भी वर्ब का पावरफुल वर्ब्स रहेंगे, मतलब वो बंदा तो जीत गया इसके अंदर. वो बंदा जीत गया, उसको इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच बहुत जबरदस्त बनाने के लिए आएगा. सो नाउ ही सेड दैट टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. ये पहला सिंपल डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच है. नेक्स्ट, ही अनाउंस्ड दैट. उसने अनाउंस किया के दैट टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. कॉपी पेस्ट, कॉपी पेस्ट, कॉपी पेस्ट. आया जैसा था वैसा मैंने कॉपी किया. प्लीज यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट वन. Now, here we have 5 rules of direct indirect speech, my dear friends. Point number 1, bullshit. Power failure. क्या आप लोग का लक नहीं लग रहा मेरे को? So, अब यहां पर क्या था? सॉरी, हाँ. So we have some rules over here. For direct indirect speech. For example, rule number 1, the pronoun may change according to the common sense. Pronoun change हो सकते हैं. For example, यहाँ पे he है, तो हो सकता है अगर किसी लड़की ने अगर ये बात बोली तो उसका she हो जाएगा. It can become she. For example, किसी और ने बोला है they, you, we, change हो सकता है. Point number 2, verb can change. The verb can change. Said था, मैंने said की जगह पे announce लिया. Verb can change. Point number 3, rule number 3, the modal auxiliary can change. Is will become would. Will become would. Shall will become should. Can will become could. Maybe. Is will become was. Maybe. According to your common sense, the modal auxiliary will change. Rule number 5, the timing will change. Tomorrow is a holiday may become the next day is a holiday. The next day is a holiday, so the timing will change according to your common sense. So we have 5 major rules. I'm going to show you. So he announced, अब announcement का sentence था, he announced that tomorrow is a holiday. उसने announcement किया कि कल छुट्टी रहेगी, कल छुट्टी है. He announced that tomorrow would be a holiday. अगर आप लोग आज में अपने दोस्त को मिल रहे हैं, फैजल भाई को अगर आपने आज के आज में मिले, आप उनको क्या बोलेंगे? He announced that, sir has announced that today that tomorrow would be a holiday. कल छुट्टी हो सकती है, कल क्लास को. Tomorrow would be a holiday. क्या गलत है? पर मैंने ऐसे बोला था कि tomorrow would be a holiday. मैंने क्या बोला था? Tomorrow is a holiday. कल छुट्टी है. आप उसको अपने तरीके से बता रहे. Your common sense, your rules, your words, and you are delivering it your own way. So he announced that tomorrow would be a holiday. Okay. Next one. I'm heading towards the next one. Direct indirect speech. I have given the abbreviation D for direct, I for indirect. Okay. I'm a student. Simple sentence is there. I'm a student. मैं एक student हूँ. I'm a student. ये बोला कब मैंने भाई? ये मंडे के दिन बोला मैंने. आज मंडे है ना? हाँ, मैंने मंडे के दिन बोला ये बात. I am a student. I am a student. Simple सा sentence मैंने बोला. I am a student. अब आपके दोस्त मिले फैजल भाई, आपको मिले वेंसडे के दिन, तो आप फैजल भाई को क्या बोल रहे हैं वेंसडे के दिन? That he said that, उसने बोला कि he was a student. होगा कि नहीं होगा? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. तो he is का क्या हो जाएगा? Was हो जाएगा. I am जो था तो वहां पर आ जाएगा he said that. He कौन है? he जो बोलने वाला, जो कि मैं हूँ. So
Yes.
he said that he was a student. उसने कहा था कि वो स्टूडेंट था. क्यों? क्योंकि आप लोगों का टाइम चेंज हुआ ना बात करने का, इसके लिए कॉमन सेंस के हिसाब से वो भी चेंज हो जाएगा. मंडे के दिन मैंने बात बोला था आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, तो वहां पे वेडनेसडे के दिन क्या हो जाएगा? पास्ट हो जाएगा. एंड पीपल आर गोइंग टू से देयर ही सेड दैट ही वाज अ स्टूडेंट. और उसकी जगह पे देखो मैंने और क्या बोला हूं, उसकी अलग अलग तरीके से आई कैन से इन डिफरेंट वेज द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही एग्रीड दैट ही इज अ स्टूडेंट. वर्ब मैंने चेंज किया हूं यहाँ पे. ही एग्रीड दैट, वो एग्री हुआ था कि वो स्टूडेंट है. he agreed that, instead of saying said, I can say he agreed that he was a student or he is a student. Okay, next, this
Can
is
we
my
use
bottle. Pardon?
Can we use told?
Obviously मैंने क्या बोला, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. he told. अब यहाँ पे देखो he agreed, he told, he mentioned भी बोल सकता हूँ मैं. मुझे कोई रोकने वाला है यहाँ पर?
नहीं.
Next, my life my rules my English. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. पहली बात तो जिसकी गाड़ी पे लिखा हो रहता है ना पीछे माई लाइफ माई रूल्स, उसको बोलने का रुका के एक मिनट रुक, तुम्हारी लाइफ है ना, तुम्हारे रूल है ना, आज से तुम्हारा रूल बनाओ ना कि आज से मैं कभी टॉयलेट को जाऊंगा नहीं. माई लाइफ माई रूल्स बना सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये लाइफ अपनी नहीं है, लाइफ उसकी है, तो रूल भी उसका ही चलेगा. रिमेंबर दिस. रहते ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसे बेवड़े के मुंह का माई लाइफ माई रूल, पीछे गाड़ी के लिए बेवड़े. चलो, दिस इज माई बॉटल. ये मेरी बॉटल है. अब मैंने आप लोगों को बोला दिस इज माई फोन, ये मेरा फोन है, करेक्ट? दिस इज माई फोन, दिस इज माई बॉटल. अब आप लोग उसको indirect speech में कैसे बोलेंगे? I have given 3 types. Now for example, he said that this is his bottle. उसने बोला कि ये उसकी बॉटल है. This is his bottle. Next, he said that that is her bottle. अगर कोई लड़की बोल रही तो आप लोग बोल सकते हैं she said that is her bottle. उसने कहा कि वो उसकी बॉटल है तो उधर जाना नहीं. He mentioned that is a bottle. He mentioned that is a bottle. ध्यान दीजिए, he mentioned that is a bottle. देखो मैंने सेंटेंस जो था वो लिया. He mentioned that is a bottle. उसने बोला था कि वो एक बॉटल है. That is his bottle. He mentioned that is उसकी खुद की बॉटल है बोला था उसने. Okay, next one. Now I'm just going a little faster because आपको ये concept में समझा चुका हूँ. I have to go for the rule. I go for parties. मैं parties के लिए जाता हूँ. मैंने आप लोग को बोला, you know, oh guys, I go for parties. तो आप लोग जाके क्या बोलेंगे? Oh, he expressed that he goes for parties. उसने express किया आज. He revealed that. उसने secret reveal किया उसका that he goes for parties. कुछ भी फेंक सकते हैं. अभी आप लोगों को मालूम है ना, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज व्हाट? चुगलियां मारना. कि आपको आना चाहिए बस. दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. अच्छी चुगली, बुरी चुगली आपके हाथ में है. मींस व्हाट अल्टीमेटली, हे शबनम देखो ना उन्हें ऐसा बोली. हाँ ऐसा बोली? नहीं नहीं पर बोली उन्हें मैं घेमड़ी करके. हाँ घेमड़ी ज बोली उसने. अल्लाह, अभी रुक उसे छोटा पकड़ के मारती. तो छोटा पकड़ के मारती बोले तो फिर गई अब उधर वो. So this is what exactly you have to say in your own ways. So he can say he expressed that he goes for parties. उसने बहुत ही इजहार किया. He expressed that he goes for parties. Next one, he mentioned that he went for parties. He mentioned that he went for parties. Aren't you listening me all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
शाकिर
Yes.
भाई आपने इधर लाइट गई हुई ना करके शायद आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
यस सर.
नहीं आ गई लाइट अपनी.
तो फिर आपने ज्वाइन अलग चीज से किए रहेंगे. फिर
नहीं नहीं
अभी हो रहा है क्या लैग? चलो. So he mentioned that he went for parties. उसने मेंशन किया कि वो पार्टीज के लिए गया था. नेक्स्ट वन, I read books. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. टेंसेस भी चेंज होंगे इसके अंदर, याद रखना है. एक रूल है हमारा जिसके अंदर टेंसेस भी चेंज होंगे. सो पॉइंट नंबर 1, सो आई रीड बुक्स. मैं बुक्स पढ़ता हूँ. अभी किसने बोला? सानिया मैडम ने बोले आई रीड बुक्स. तो अब मैं क्या बोलूंगा? शी सेड दैट शी रीड्स बुक्स. कॉपी पेस्ट, शी रीड्स बुक्स. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में बोला मैडम ने, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में मैंने उतार दिया उसको. नेक्स्ट वन, शी टोल्ड शी रीड्स बुक्स. दैट हटाया, उसकी जगह पे कॉमा लगाया. इंस्टेड ऑफ putting there that, you can put there comma as well. This is what the standard way of saying indirect speech. He said that. बच्चे लोग के जैसे लगता है, जैसे कि केजी के बच्चे लोग को पढ़ाया गया है. So you can just say that she told she reads books. So we are going to put there a comma. Next one, she lied. Oh my God, झूठे बातें करी. That she read books. That she read books. उन्होंने झूठ बात किया कि उन्होंने बुक्स पढ़े. और she lied that she reads book. उसने बहुत झूठे बातें करी.
सर उधर डैट का मीनिंग कुछ नहीं आएगा ना?
कुछ नहीं आएगा. उसका मतलब होता है कि उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा. she exaggerated. मैडम ने फेंके that she reads books. वो बुक्स पढ़ती हैं. ओके तो आपके ऊपर है भैया. आप लोगों को सामने वाले के मुंह पे फूल फेंक के मारने हैं कि अंगार फेंक के मारने हैं आपके बारे में. समझ में आ रहा है? कॉमन सेंस, कॉमन सेंस. नेक्स्ट
So,
वन.
but will this be right that she lied that she read books?
हाँ आप लोग जाकर बोलते हैं ना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी आप भी अदनान बोल रहा है, यू नो सर आई स्टडी अ लॉट एट माय क्लास. मैं बहुत स्टडी करता हूँ. तो आप लोग अभी जैसे शाकिर भाई किसी को बोल रहे हैं, बॉस को बोल रहे हैं, अरे उसने आज झूठे बातें क्या कर मालूम क्या? बोले बहुत पढ़ता हूँ नहीं करके. So this is what literally he lied that he studies a lot. Getting it? So we can say this, no problem. See, it is not giving wrong. दिया तो लैपटॉप तोड़ दूंगा उस सर पे. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Now I will call you. मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा. ये अदनान ने बोला काम वाली बाई को. उसने देखो क्या बोली, उसकी जाके सही लिखो. You know, my प्रिया अदनान, he promised me that he will call us. अपने दोनों को कॉल करेंगे उन्हें. He promised us that he will call me. He will call her. He will call me. He will call her. He will call them. I will call you. अभी you कोई भी हो सकता है. अगर मैंने सिर्फ जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अदनान को बोला, सो मैं अदनान बोल सकते हैं ही प्रॉमिस दैट ही विल कॉल मी, उसने प्रॉमिस किया वो मुझे कॉल करेगा। और मैंने आप लोगों को सबको बोला, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ओह ही प्रॉमिस दैट ही विल कॉल,
us,
हाँ
them,
वो यू का क्या हो जाएगा?
us.
गुड, ओके। अब जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल गौस भाई को और शाकिर भाई को, आई विल कॉल यू, मैं आप दोनों को कॉल करूंगा, तो अब वहां पे अदनान क्या बोलेंगे? ही प्रॉमिस दैट ही विल कॉल,
Them.
हाँ कॉमन सेंस। नेक्स्ट, अभी सिर्फ मैंने बोला हूँ शाकिर भाई को, यस मैम,
He promised that he will call him.
Or will, sir.
क्या मैम?
Would or will, sir.
लगा सकते हैं, मैंने बोला ना कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं। फिलहाल मैं यहाँ पे आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि प्रोनाउन क्या है चेंज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉमन सेंस। अब जैसे कि मैंने सिर्फ ये बात बोला शाकिर भाई को, शाकिर भाई आई विल कॉल यू, ओके, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ओ
Missed
ही
that.
प्रॉमिस
He will
दैट
call
ही विल कॉल
him.
हिम। अब मैंने बोला श्रेया मैम को, श्रेया मैम आई विल कॉल यू, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ओ ही प्रॉमिस दैट ही विल कॉल।
Her.
एक यू के कितने सारे फंडे, भारी दिख रहा है ना? इसको
Yes,
बोलते
sir.
हैं डायरेक्ट
What
इंडेक्स
will be the past of may?
मे,
Yes, sir.
माइट, माइट, माइट। Just a minute, please, guys. Extremely sorry. Yeah, we play football. They said that they play football. उन्होंने कहा कि वो फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. We play football. They said that they play football. Next one. This is our oh my this is our Mominpura. So this is what they said that this is their Mominpura. So our का क्या हो जाएगा वहां पर? Their, उनके बाप का है. So this is what they said that there it is their Mominpura. That is their Mominpura. According to our common sense, the words will change. Next,
Sir,
she calls me.
इसका क्या होएगा?
जी,
His का?
this is का this is भी रह सकता है, that is भी हो सकता है उसका.
नहीं, his.
His का this is his Mominpura, ऐसा ना?
नहीं, he is boy.
He is a
His-
boy, correct?
Yes.
अभी देखो, अब ध्यान
His
दीजिए.
name is
Common.
Alice. His name is Gauss. तो he's आ रहा ना उसका सर.
अच्छा, ध्यान दीजिए. His name is Mr. Gauss Patel. Okay. His name is Gauss. Okay.
Yes
ये
sir.
बात कहने वाला कौन था? लड़की थी कि कोई लड़का था? कौन था?
लड़का था.
ओके, तो उस लड़के ने बोला, क्या बोला? He said
He said that.
that his name is Gauss. उसने बोला कि इनका नाम गौस है.
Yes sir.
तो his का his आएगा, सिर्फ कॉमन सेंस लगेगा, आप अपने ऊपर कैसा यूज करते हैं उसको. नेक्स्ट वन, she calls me. अभी ये खतरनाक सेंटेंस कौन बोल रहा है यहाँ पर? अदनान बोल रहे हैं. उन्हें मेरे को कॉल करती, दीदी उन्हें. So she calls me. He said that she calls.
His का
Same.
plural क्या होगा? There होगा ना?
प्लूरल नहीं होगा उसका वहां पर.
नहीं.
हिज किसके लिए यूज होता है? एक लड़के के लिए होता है, जैसे कि हिज नेम, मतलब उस लड़के का नाम. तो उस लड़के को प्लूरल थोड़ी कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ. तो
समझे? चलो. बाय द वे, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स माय फर्स्ट रूल. मैं अब आप लोग को लेकर जा रहा हूं हमारे फर्स्ट रूल की तरफ. व्हेन टू यूज एंड हाउ टू यूज द फर्स्ट रूल. अब आप लोग को मैं लेकर जा रहा हूं फर्स्ट रूल की तरफ. पहला रूल क्या है? रूल नंबर 1 is saying pronouns will change. And how many pronouns do we have in English? We have 9
Seven
pronouns, correct?
7 pronouns in English.
ओके, जागे हैं, जागो ग्राहक. यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, 7 pronouns आपके आंखों के सामने ही है. So the pronouns will change in direct speech. In direct speech, pronouns will change. For example, my will become his or her. My will become his or her. For example, it is my speaker. Make in direct speech.
He said
He
that.
said this is his speaker.
It is his speaker. मैं लड़का हूं तो मेरे लिए लगेगा his. समझ में आ रहा है? अब जैसे कि श्रेया मैम बोल रही हैं, it is my yard. It is my yard.
She said that this yacht is
Correct. She said that it is her yard. उनका
Her yard.
yard है. Good. I will become he or she. For example, I am a student. He said that he is the
he's a student.
अब सानिया मैडम बोल रही है वहां पे आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, तो क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? शी सेड दैट।
She said that she's a student.
वेरी गुड। यू विल बिकम हिम, हर, देम, अस, मी, एटसेट्रा। अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Yes.
आई विल कॉल यू, तो यू का क्या क्या बनेगा? नेक्स्ट वी विल बिकम दे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर स्टूडेंट्स, हम दोनों
They said
स्टूडेंट है। कौन? मैं और अदनान। वी आर स्टूडेंट, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? दे सेड दैट, वो दोनों ने बोले दैट दे आर स्टूडेंट।
yes,
सो वी का क्या बनेगा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में? डायरेक्ट स्पीच में वी अगर है तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इट विल बिकम दे। नेक्स्ट आवर, दिस इज आवर फ्लैट, ये हमारा फ्लैट है। दिस इज आवर फ्लैट, सो वी आर गोइंग टू से दे सेड दैट इट इज देयर फ्लैट। आवर का क्या हो जाएगा? देयर। दे सेड दैट इट इज देयर फ्लैट। एंड मी का क्या हो जाएगा? him or her. For example, she calls me. अब भी था ना यहाँ पे, she calls me. So he said that she calls him or her. So me का क्या हो जाएगा? him or her. All right, very easy. Now let's have some examples over here. It is our class. ये अपनी class है. It is our class. He said that it is their class. ये उनकी class है. It is their class. Next, it is our family. ये दिख रहे हैं 8-9 लोग अपने participants के अंदर. It is our family. ये हमारी family है. They said that it is their family. उनकी family है.
their family.
Good. We are going on a picnic. हम लोग एक पिकनिक को जा रहे हैं. They said that they are going on a picnic. उन
They are
लोगों ने
going on
कहा कि वो एक पिकनिक पे जा
picnic.
रहे हैं. कौन? आमिर और शाकिर. So this is what they are going on a picnic. Next one. We shall admire his performance. We shall admire his performance. So they said that they will admire his performance. Next one. Could you call me please? She said, could I call her? अब जैसे कि फरहत मैडम ने सानिया मैडम को बोला could you call me please, तो बोल सकती हैं she said that could I call her, क्या मैं उनको कॉल कर सकती हूँ? तो यहाँ पे you कौन है? सानिया मैडम खुद है। बात किससे कर रही है? फरहत मैडम से, तो बोल सकती हैं you make food, आप खाना बनाते हैं। he said that I make food, ये मुझे किसी ने तो भी बोला ऐसा, you make food. oh, he said that I make food, मैं खाना बनाता। he will punish you, वो आपको सजा देगा। he said that he will punish me, उसने मुझे क्या बोला कि वो मुझे पनिश करेगा। do you have time, अब वहां पे वो क्या कर रही है? लेडी पूछ रही है हमारे अद्दू को, अदनान do you have time भैया? she asked do I have time भैया? she asked do I have time भैया? Next one, it is my car. She said that it is her car. He said that it is his car. He claimed that is his car. That is his car. That was his car. उसने क्लेम किया ये मेरी कार है, तो सामने वाले ने किस तरीके से बोला है, आप लोग को उस तरीके से फेंकना है। Getting it? Getting it? Or he mentioned
Yes.
it is his car. Oh, this is my car. ओए मेरी कार है, तो बोलने के ऊपर तरीके पे आएगा आप लोग का indirect speech. Oh, he yelled, वो कुत्ते के चिल्लाया कि मेरी कार है. So he yelled that it is his car. He mentioned, वो मेरी है. He mentioned that it is his car. और he, अबे मेरी है ये. So he claimed, उसने claim किया कि वो उसकी कार है. और he told, oh, that is my car. He told that it is his car. और वो plane भी मेरा है. He lied. He exaggerated. He fooled. आपके ऊपर है, common sense use कीजिए, बनाइए sentences. So by the way, is there anyone who wants to ask any question regarding the first rule of our direct indirect speech, that you have to change the pronouns? So you have to change the pronouns according to your common sense. So I want you to make sentences now, and you have to change the pronouns over there. Yes, one by one, make simple sentences and try to change the pronouns. Yes, please. Make sentences one by one. आओ सानिया मैडम, आओ चुप बैठो। अच्छा होगा आप छोकरा नहीं है, खासकर गौस अदनान नहीं है। मैडम बोल रही हैं सर कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दीज वर्ड्स अलाइव, अचेयर, अवेक, dead, wearing, standing, lying means when we use these words as an adjective, so we do not use third form. Why? मैडम बहुत ऑफ टॉपिक का क्वेश्चन कर रही हैं आप, बच्चे लोग फिलहाल इसके फ्लो में हैं, लटक जाएंगे उन्हें, तो अपन ये इसको कभी किसी दिन बाद में लेंगे। मैडम बहुत इजी सी चीज़ पूछा है आपने, बहुत इजी है, आपको बता दूंगा मैं, that how are they being adjectives and how to use them and how to means work with it with the sentences. By the way, आपको ये समझ में आया कि आप लिखते बैठी थी मैडम पीछे?
No, sir.
ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज यहाँ पर, एंड प्लीज मेक सेंटेंसेस, ओके? पहले इसको कर लेते हैं, वरना वो अगर फ्लो टूटा तो लटक गए समझो फिर अपन। बाय द वे, जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट दिस ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप, and after finishing this time inshallah we'll be covering your questions, don't worry about it, okay? Yeah, can you please continue?
I'm on fire. He said that I'm on fire.
Okay, or he said that he's on fire.
He's on fire.
Correct. Expected, huh? Good boy, giving the first chance. Shakir bhai, hello.
He said that this is his bottle.
Okay, आपने डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच बना दिया उसका, डायरेक्ट स्पीच तुम्हारा बना के लो। ओ शाकिर भाई, अरे
दोनों भी बोलने थे क्या अपने को?
फिर ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है, समझ में आना होता है ना, अपन अपन खुद बना रहे करके हो। चलो अरे बंदो, मेक सेंटेंसेस। श्रेया, फरहत, आमिर, गौस, सानियाज।
There's going to be a class tomorrow. She mentioned there is going to be a class tomorrow.
Correct. Or he mentioned that tomorrow would be a class.
Yes, sir.
Good. According to your common sense, you're going to use it. Very good, girl. Continue. Change the pronouns.
class.
On time.
It is your
The
time,
class
right?
is on time. He said
Yes.
the class is on time.
The class is on time. Please try to take some these. अभी आप लोग को से अभी आप लोग गलत बना रहे सेंटेंस. Okay, I'll give you directly. मैं जैसे बनवाता हूँ सेंटेंस क्लास के अंदर वैसे बोलता हूँ. Can you please make sentences with my? Only my. कुछ भी फेंको मत. Only my के साथ में सेंटेंस बनाओ. चलो. Direct speech
My
मुझे
teacher
my.
is you.
You are my teacher.
You are my teacher.
हाँ, very good boy. Make indirect speech with this.
Sir, yes. You are my teacher.
आप मेरे टीचर हैं. I
अब वो
said.
adjective आया बराबर.
I said he is my teacher, or he said that he is his teacher. वो उसके टीचर हैं. ऐसा. Good.
This is
Chalo,
my
next.
laptop.
This is my laptop.
She said that this is her laptop.
By the way, जब बेसिक क्लास के मतलब नॉर्मल क्लास के बच्चे लोग, जो छोटे बच्चे लोग, उन लोगों ने अच्छे अच्छे सेंटेंस बनाए, तो आप लोग क्यों नहीं बनाएंगे? सो आई वांट यू टू गो इन सम सीक्वेंस दैट डायरेक्ट स्पीच कोई बनाएगा और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच उसका कोई और बनाएगा. सो समझ लो सब लोगों को प्रैक्टिस बहुत जबरदस्त होएगा. ओके, सो नाउ द सीक्वेंस इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट अदनान, सेकंड शाकिर, थर्ड सानिया, फोर्थ श्रेया, फिफ्थ फरहत, सिक्स्थ आमिर, सेवेंथ गौस, एट्थ मैं. ओके, मतलब गौस बाबा वापस से अदनान को पूछेंगे. सो अदनान प्लीज आस्क मिस्टर शाकिर, गिव हिम अ डायरेक्ट स्पीच ऑफ माय. जल्दी से, फास्टर.
This is my flat.
He said that this is his flat.
Good. Next, give it to Sania.
They will
Yes.
fire the employees.
अरे भाई माइक किधर है मेरे भाई? माइक किधर है? माइक किधर है?
Now
It
you
is my
study.
bike.
ओके.
Was his bike.
और मैडम पूरा बोलते. सानिया मैडम.
This was his bike.
आओ नको, पूरा इंडेक्स भी चाहिए मुझे. He said that this was his bike. ऐसा. और he said, or he mentioned, he exclaimed, कुछ तो फेंको मैडम. ऐसा. Next, give it to Shreya.
My cooler is not working.
I'm
My
not
cooler.
able to hear.
Yeah, my cooler is
Not working.
not working. She
She
complained.
said that her. Okay, she complained that her cooler is not working.
Nice. Next, give it to Amir. Sorry, Farhad. Give it to Farhad.
I will be doing my assignments this evening.
She said that
She said that.
she said that
Hmm.
she said that she was doing her assignment in tonight.
Oh madam, तुमने लिए क्या मैडम थोड़ी सी सॉरी क्या कर रहे हैं आप मैडम सॉरी टू से दिस she said that I'll be doing my assignments this evening so future में जाएगा वो
She said that she
she
will
would
doing
be she will be or she would be
she will be doing her
Also, we can
assignment
say
this evening.
ah yes ma'am
she is going to do her assignments this evening. We can say this also, right?
yeah absolutely common sense yes Miss Farhat can you please give it to Mr. Amir
My uncle is enchanter.
an enchanter my uncle is an enchanter Mr. Amir he's busy okay yes Mr. Goss please take the lead
She said that
uh,
her uncle is
very good माई का
gentle
हर होता है an enchanter very good give it to
enchanter.
yeah give it to Mr. Adnan faster जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए बहुत टाइम पास कर रहे हैं आप लोग जल्दी कीजिए प्लीज
I enjoy study.
माइक किधर है उसमें
My
I enjoy
study.
my study
He said that he enjoy his study.
next give a sentence with
I I love parties.
I love parties
He said that he enjoys
loves
parties. He loves parties.
parties give it to Sanya
I will come tomorrow.
He said that
he would come tomorrow next correct he'll come tomorrow मैडम आपका आज थोड़ा सा मैटर दिख रहा है मुझे yes continue give it to Miss Shreya
I will talk to you later.
She said that she mentioned that she will talk later.
she will talk to me later
He will talk to me later.
yeah she said to you right I will talk to you
Yes,
later
yes.
yeah she said that she would talk to me later or she will talk to me later next give it to Farhan
I will go to market after
the
some time.
market I will go to the market
Market.
I will go to market after some time.
I will go to the market after some time yes
She told me that she will going to the market after some time.
she would go to the market or she will be going to the market next give it to Amir
I was busy in my work.
She told me,
she was busy
hello,
yeah we are listening you
yes sir. She told me
she she was busy
she was busy in
in her
her
work
work. Her
ah
work.
very good next give it to Mr. Goss
My mother said to
I
me,
I
sorry,
I
I पे से लिया sir.
yeah
I passed in the exam.
I passed the exam
I passed the exam.
yes
He mentioned that he passed the exam.
correct next give it to Mr. Adnan जल्दी करना है फटाफट I
Uh,
I love
I
you
drive bicycle.
very good boy I ride a bicycle
I ride a bicycle. Oh.
very good जल्दी करना दोस्त
He agreed he ride a bicycle.
Oh.
Bicycle.
he ride a bicycle next give it to Mr. Shakir with you
You
you के percentage बनाने हैं सर ने भी चलो next
you have to
जल्दी
come.
you have to come
You have to come.
He mentioned that you have to come.
he mentioned that
You
Yeah.
have to come.
I have to come उन्होंने आपसे बात की ना he mentioned that I have to come मुझे आना ही पड़ेगा उसने बोला ऐसे उसने मेंशन किया good next
वो क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं इसमें अपन ऐसा
कुछ भी अपने अपने दिल पे अपने दिल के राजा है इसके अंदर you
will you go to Singapore when you get your passport?
correct Sanya madam
I was giving answer, sir. Did you?
No, your voice is lagging a lot today. I don't know why. We did not listen to you.
Said
Shakir bhai, can you repeat once again?
Will you go to Singapore when you get your passport?
I get my passport.
Okay. Next. Yes, madam.
You should come your time.
Yes.
She exclaimed that I should come in my class on time.
Correct. Next. Ask to Farhat.
You have to come there early tomorrow.
You have to come there early tomorrow.
Pardon?
You have to come there early tomorrow.
She
Very
said
good.
that I have to come early tomorrow.
Correct. Next. मैडम देते के भी आगे जल्दी से. Farhat madam is sleeping.
You will recite Quran after a few minutes.
हेलो. एक बंदा है कि दूसरे बंदे को जगाना पड़ रहा है. प्लीज. अरे यार बड़े बड़े बंडल लोग दिख रहे हैं मेरे को आप लोग. चलो अपना अपना सेंटेंस बनाओ, अपना अपना इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच बनाओ. एक ही रूल को खत्म करने के लिए आपको कितना टाइम लगा था? यस, कंटिन्यू मैडम. मेक योर इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच एज वेल. कंटिन्यू. या.
You will recite Quran after a few minutes. She said that she told me I will recite Quran after a few minutes.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. गौस भाई कहाँ है अपन?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई सेंटेंस दो.
You are reading book.
यू आर
He
रीडिंग अ बुक.
reading a book. He said that you are reading book.
नहीं मेरे भाई. He said that I am reading a book.
He said that I am reading book.
Very good. Next one. Yes, Adnan bhai. Please
You
ask
have to
Mr.
come on
Shakir.
time.
We के ऊपर sentence चाहिए मुझे अभी. We. Give a sentence to
We
Shakir
have to come on
faster.
time.
We have to come on time. Yes, Mr.
We
Shakir.
have to come.
They have to come on time. He said that they have to come on time.
Good. Next, give it to Sania. Faster.
We are going for a party tomorrow.
He said that he was going for a party tomorrow. He will
Wrong हो गया यहाँ पर ये. ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. मैडम ने क्या बोला है?
We are
प्लीज यहाँ पे
going
ध्यान
for a party.
दीजिए. इसके पहले भी wrong हुआ था, यहाँ पे भी wrong हुआ है. ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. We are going for a party
Yes, sir.
tomorrow. Shreya, what will be the indirect speech? Farhat, what will be the indirect speech? Adnan, we
They
are
They
going
are
for a
going
party
That they
tomorrow.
are going
Correct.
to party
Correct.
tomorrow.
We का दे होगा. We का दे होगा. We मतलब हम लोग पार्टी को जा रहे. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what they said that. दे हो जाएगा उसका ही नहीं होगा. बोलने वाला एक इंसान थोड़ी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Continue, ma'am.
So, but we can say, right, that he said that they are going to party
Yeah.
tomorrow because an individual is saying.
Yeah. Correct.
But we
Correct.
just can't say that he is going to party tomorrow. That will be wrong.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Exactly. Common sense is the main thing here. That's what exactly we're going to use. Okay, continue, ma'am. Ma'am, give it to Miss Shreya.
there on time.
They are on
Um,
time.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
On time.
So, not able to hear her.
Exactly the same here. Can you please speak louder, madam?
They're on time.
Your voice
I
is
think-
lagging a lot.
Yeah, network problem.
Okay. We're going to school. Change it into index. Shreya.
She said that they are going to school tomorrow.
Correct. Next, give it to Farhat.
We are going for a play tonight.
They are.
Yes.
She said that they are going to play tonight.
Make sentence with they. Don't say she said. You must say that they
They
said that.
said that
Yeah,
they
that will be
told me they are going for playing tonight.
They told me they're going for play tonight.
So
Next.
she can also say like she told me, right?
Yeah,
Instead of
yeah, exactly. We can say, but see, we are going to have here. See, if we are going to say I or we, my like this, so we can just use here I, he, or she. But here, the most important thing is what while using we, we're going to use here means
they.
completely grammatically correct. That is what they.
One
Yes.
person said so we can say she.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good, talented madam. Continue, please. चलो रे बच्चे लोग, अरे सवाल ज्यादा मत करो, पहले ये तो बनाओ जल्दी जल्दी.
We
Yes,
are we are
ask Gauss.
singing a song.
We are singing a song. Gauss, we are singing a song.
They said we are
They
they
are.
they are singing a song.
Very good. Ask Adnan. जल्दी we के साथ में जल्दी.
We are enjoy the party.
We enjoy the parties.
They said they mentioned they are enjoying party.
They enjoy parties. नए नए
Hello?
सेंटेंस लेके आने का, एक सेंटेंस को 70 बार रगड़ना नहीं. Next, our. Adnan, make sentences with our.
Our house in the middle of the town.
Sir, our means
Our
क्या?
house is in the middle. हमारा. Our मतलब हमारा. Our house is in the middle of the town. Yes, Mr. Shakir.
They claim that their house is in the middle of the town.
Very good. Ask Shreya.
Our new TV is coming with the courier boys.
He said that their new TV is coming with the courier boys.
Boys. Good. Ask Farhat.
This is our home, buddy.
What?
This is our home, buddy.
This is I
Home, buddy.
This is our home, buddy.
home bud. She said there said that this nahi, she
Oh,
said
madam. She said that.
that this is their home buddy.
Correct. Next. Give it to Gauss. Faster.
Our boss is PhD holder.
Pardon?
Our boss is a PhD holder.
She said that their boss is PhD holder.
Very good boy. Give it to Adnan.
Our class is excellent.
He mentioned that their class is excellent.
Or he praised that their class is excellent. He appreciated. He mentioned. He
Right.
expressed. बहुत कुछ फेंक सकते हैं. फेंको अभी. Give it to Mr. Shakir with me. Me के साथ में Mr. Shakir को दो. जल्दी.
They are blaming on me.
They are blaming me.
They are blaming me.
Ah,
He said that they are blaming him.
very good. Give it to Sanya.
Me के साथ में समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो.
Oh, ऐसे क्या कर रहे हैं? बोलो समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो. हजरत कितना इजी है वो.
नहीं सेंटेंस क्या बनो वो समझ रहा नहीं.
मस्तूरात के बारे में बोलो. They love me. क्या आप भी शाकिर वाले कुछ भी बोलते हैं यार. They offered me a deal. They offered me a deal.
They offered me a deal.
Sanya madam.
They said that they will off.
He said that.
He said that they will offer me a deal.
और उन्हें पास में बोले उन्हें. He said that they had offered him a deal. They had offered him a deal. Yeah. Next, ask Shreya.
You have to come here with me.
You have to come here with me.
He asked me that I'll have to go with her.
Correct. Ask Farhat.
She wasn't talking to me.
He wasn't.
Yeah.
She said that she wasn't talking to her.
Very good. Give it to Gauss.
Me and my friend is genius for you.
Very good. Sentence is grammatically wrong. Why?
I am
इसको बोलते मेरे क्लास के बच्चे. Me and my friend नहीं आएगा. Yeah. अब मुझे चाहिए me.
I and me. No, sorry.
And me.
Oh, मैडम क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
I and my friend is genius for you.
Next, please.
He said that. He said that.
नको बनाओ, उनका गलत हो रहा हो हजरत. Give
Hmm.
it to Adnan. Me के ऊपर. Ask Adnan, do you love me?
Do you love me?
भाई अपना वो.
As a brother.
Do you love
चलो
me?
बाबा.
Hello.
Tell. Do
He
you
said
love
that.
me?
He said that I love. Do I love him?
He asked that, do I love him?
He asked that. He mentioned that. Do I love him?
Correct. नहीं mention नहीं, उन्होंने पूछा ना आपसे, तो he asked that.
He asked that. Okay.
Okay. So this is what guys, देखो भी अपने को अपन कौन से लेवल पे हैं. अभी अपन सोच रहे क्या बोलूं, मैं बोलूं क्या, वो मैडम कुछ का कुछ ही बना रही क्या. आप लोग उधर क्या भी कुछ भी सेंटेंस फेंक रहे हैं एक में एक से, वो मैडम का आवाज लैग हो रहा है. क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? ऐसे
You
सेंटेंस
ask-
बनता है क्या? आओ शट अप, वेट अ मिनट प्लीज, पे अटेंशन. हम लोगों को सेंटेंस कैसे बनाना है भाई? You have to imagine. Until and unless you're going to imagine, you are not going to speak up over there. Imagine the sentences. Imagine it and then speak up. See, I'm going to give you directly with all the direct speech just in one shot. For example, this is my mic. He said that it is his mic. Simple. I charge my laptop. He said that he charges his laptop. I ka hi ho gaya. Next, you are my students. He mentioned that we are his students. Next, we are having a lesson. He said that we are having a lesson.
So they are.
Next, मैं भी आप लोग को बोल रहा हूँ, तो आप लोग के बारे में अपने बोलेंगे तो कॉमन सेंस में क्या आएगा हमारे? वी का वी
Okay.
रहेगा वहाँ पर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर हैविंग अ लेसन, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे अपने दोस्त को? ही सेड दैट वी आर हैविंग अ लेसन नाउ, ऐसा. और वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ पिकनिक. They said that they are going for a picnic. Next one, we have to take care of our health. He warned that they have to take care of their health. Next, me. Did he call me last night? He asked that, did I call him last night? Did I call him last night? So my dear friends, here I have given each and everything. It is our class. He said that it is their class. It is our family. They said that it is their family. We are going on a picnic. They said that they are going on a picnic. We shall admire his performance. They said that they will admire his performance. Could he call me? She said, could I call her? She asked, could I call her? So this is what exactly I have done here. Rule number 1, you have to practice at home. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. All right? Please
Yes, sir.
practice at home this rule number 1 again and again, again and again. घर पर जाना है और उसको practice करना है. And if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Sir, which
All
sir?
right? इसके अंदर जो ये first rule है ना, rule number 1, which I have written over here, ये वाला,
Yes, sir.
direct index speech के अंदर, ये आपको practice करना है आज के आज में घर पर जाकर. Okay? And if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. And please don't be absent. And another thing is what? I have started new batch. So if you have any other friends who want to join, you can invite them. We are starting new batches. All right. And another batch is starting from today itself. If you want, so you can join too. Advanced level vocabulary and advanced level conversation will be there in that class. Only conversation and high level vocabulary. Only conversation and high level vocabulary. Okay. Very cheap. बहुत ही cheap investment के अंदर मैं लेकर आया हूँ just for the help. Okay, so if you have any other friends, so you can just tell them so they can join too. All right, it is what for 3 months class, and the fee is very, 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 very cheap. That's what just 4,500 because this is the pilot batch of that. ये pilot batch है उसका. What do you mean by pilot batch?
First batch.
First batch है उसका इसके लिए. Because next batch में उसका amount हो जाएगा double. Okay. Goodbye. Cheerio. And maybe जो आप लोगों को कोर्स मैं अभी तक के डिटेल में दिया हूँ यहाँ पर जो प्रोवाइड किया हूँ, मे बी हो सकता है इन फ्यूचर I'll be just shutting down these courses. Why? Because I'm going to go for inshallah IELTS. Okay, IELTS की courses start होने वाले भी हमारे inshallah. So we'll be guiding to the IELTS guys, good people. All right, cheerio.